So in this video, I'm going to take my bare WP kind of WordPress starter theme that I use on all of my projects, and I'm going to show you how to very quickly and easily download it, get it up and running in CodeKit. You're going to see me using MAMP Pro in here to just run a PHP MySQL Apache Linux server on my computer here. So just the very basics of getting it downloaded, getting it set up so you can start developing your own custom WordPress theme. So the first thing we're going to do here is on GitHub I have the theme here. We're just going to download the zip, get it on our desktop and expand it. Alright, so we got that downloaded, we're good to go there. I already have a installation of WordPress running locally. Migrate blog, open this up here. It's just got the basic theme. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the files here and we're going to add this theme. Go to appearance and themes and we'll see the bare WP right here, theme details, all you need to know. We're going to go ahead and activate it. Now when you initially activate it, it has all of the files and everything that you need to get up and running. So you'll see when I refresh though, it's just basic. It has the little copyright, something you would see in the footer. In other videos I'll show you how to get started and actually use the theme. This one we're just getting set up here. Alright, so if we go back to the repo on GitHub, scroll down in the README, there's a couple things that are happening with this particular theme. So first of all, I use CodeKit in all of my development. Just makes compiling all my CSS preprocessors, JavaScript, concatenate, minify, a bunch of different things a lot easier. If you do a lot of front-end dev and you don't want to deal with tools like Grunt or Gulp or anything like that, head on over to the link in here. Pick up CodeKit. It's like 29 bucks. It doesn't cost much at all, but certainly a great tool to get things up and running. So what I'm going to do now that I have this theme installed is I'm actually just going to go ahead and drag this theme folder onto CodeKit. And so what that's going to do in CodeKit is it's going to add it as a project. Now I already have a CodeKit config file, which is the file that CodeKit uses to store all of the settings that you've chosen. I already have that file in here, so what's happening, you'll see right here, so what's happening when I add it to CodeKit is it's actually already doing a couple different things. You'll see that bare WP is set up. I'm just going to click on this little gear here and I'm going to do a couple things. I'm just going to change the name so that way it's specific to me. And then the other thing that I want to do is I want to take advantage of CodeKit's browser refreshing, not just across my main browser, but when I have it pulled up in different browsers, and especially on mobile devices. Another great benefit of CodeKit you should check out. So I'm going to go to browser refreshing, and down here under external server I'm going to turn it on. And you'll see this just happens to be the URL from the very first project, but what you want to do is take the URL that your local server is giving you, copy that, go back to CodeKit and paste that in here. And when I close this and click preview in CodeKit, it's now going to deliver my website at this the name of my computer.local on port 5757. So I can actually go into my admin area here. And so now I am still on my great blog with the theme set up here. And when I go to visit my website, everything is right here. So that's a very easy way of getting the theme downloaded from GitHub, getting it installed in your WordPress installation, and then quickly configuring CodeKit in order to simply get it up and running. Now obviously there are other features that we'll look at in future videos on how to get things up and running and actually when you start developing, but this is the very basics. We have a local server running, we have our theme installed in our WordPress installation, everything's connected through CodeKit, so all of our processes are running when we do tasks like save style sheets and so forth.